Security is a critical piece of what Google is looking for. So the first plugin I'm going to recommend is a security plugin, and specifically one called Wordfence Security. So there are no settings under here. In order to access and configure this, you'll want to find it over here on the sidebar. The reason why we're going to prioritize this is because reports like a recent SiteLock one tell us that 18.5 million websites are infected at any given time. That's not websites that are under attack. These are websites that actually have something wrong with them, meaning there's faulty code or someone broke through the login page, someone left a spam comment, somehow a hacker or a bot got inside the website. And when a website is compromised in terms of security, hackers aren't discriminating. They will go after anyone. Your website could be a day old. Your website could only have 3 or 4 pages on it. They don't care. It's not necessarily about stealing valuable customer information like credit cards or social security numbers. It's just about the potential of what they can do with your website. They can deface it. They can hold it ransom in the hopes that you'll pay a large sum in order to get it back. They could use it to attack other websites. So don't give them that opportunity. Your web host should be able to help you with some security features, and you should be getting an SSL certificate with them. SSL certificates are what allow your website to move from HTTP to HTTPS. It's a form of encryption that masks all communications that take place between your website and your visitors. So if you can get that in place, and Google wants you to, your website will instantly do better in search. And that's because Google penalizes websites that have this not secure warning here. So first and foremost, get that SSL certificate, then come back here, install WordPress, and let's go to all options to see what exactly we can do with this plugin. These are general settings. You're going to want to make sure you insert the correct email address here so that if there is a security threat attacking your website or someone has gotten in, you get an instant email notification about it. Firewall options allow you to configure things like the firewall, which is a way to assess the quality of traffic coming into your website and block anyone who is known to be a malicious entity, a hacker, a bot, anyone who's just wreaked havoc on the web before. Brute force protection will protect your login screen. So hackers will send out bots to repeatedly try username and password combinations, hoping that they'll unlock access to a website. So don't even allow that to happen. Set limits on this and block them out before they have a chance to get inside. You can see here Wordfence comes with a scanning tool. This is a really great feature. This is what enables you to sit back and trust that your website is being watched. So if malware happens to get through, if someone's trying to log in repeatedly over the course of an hour, this scan is going to pick up on that stuff and let you know. There are some other options down here. I wouldn't bother with them right now. This is a premium feature, so you can't do anything with it at the moment, but focus on the key security features so that you can protect your website where it counts.